Alright, so boom, I'm going to jump straight into the video. So I'm starting off by using NYX Drop Foundation in the shade Golden Honey, and I'm going to put that all on my hairline just to make the illusion that forehead skin, if you can translate that. Yeah, basically that's what I meant. And now I'm just gonna, as you can see, I'm just taking this stupid ass got to be spray, and I'm just drying it to put the cap on my head and to cover my edges. And now I'm gonna cut it along the shape of my forehead and my hairline. You know what, I'm just chatting shit, but you lot can see what I'm doing. Do you know what I mean? It's pretty self-explanatory. Remember to always cut behind the ears as well. I always forget to do that. Yeah, anyway, how have you guys been? Because I've been busy. A bitch been working, chasing that bag. Sis, get that bag. I know you're sat on your computer or your phone and you're not getting that bag. Bitch, get that bag. Get up, get that bag. Anyway, now I'm just using the spray again to flatten down the bits that I had cut, because they like stand up a little bit at the ends. And then after all that's done, I'm just gonna dry it again with my hairdryer to make sure everything's flat and laid. And when I'm happy with that, I take micellar water on a little cotton swab and I just remove all the foundation and glue from my actual skin. And now I'm gonna put the wig on my head, and I'm just gonna like measure it to my head and stuff. See, a bitch is measured or whatever. And now I'm cutting because the hairline was too long, and now I'm just gonna cut the lace off that I do not need. This, do you know what, yeah, I try to stay really focused on this bit, but it's really not that deep. It's not that deep. To me, it's not that deep. I think that's why it always turns out quite successful, because I don't pay too much mind to it. Because when I start thinking about things too much, that's when I mess up. But I didn't mess up, bitch. Look how beautiful she is. Now I'm taking the Ghost Bond glue on a rat tail comb shear. I'm just putting this all over my hairline as well, where the wig's gonna go. As you can see, I used like some white crayon to put the dots where the wig was gonna go. Now I'm just putting that wig on my head. Yes, I know it's a bit lower than usual, but I don't know what kind of crack I was smoking. But no, I do end up taking it off and putting it a bit higher. It's not even that low, like I could get away with it. You lot are just some haters. And it helps if you use your rat tail comb to just press down every little bit. As you can see, there were some bits that didn't catch any glue, so I had to press them down real quick. Anyway, now I'm taking some powder, some MAC powder, and I'm using that along my hairline just to blend everything, because this is blonde, you know. Seriously, this is blonde, so I have to come correct. And that's the finished look, guys. Damn, that was quick. Thank you for watching. It's bone straight, period. So this is the wig after I straightened it with my Remington straighteners. Yo, it's so soft. I love the texture. The blonde is growing on me, don't get me wrong. When I first put it on, I was a bit like skeptical. Like, I think I look best with dark colours, but then again, I've never tried blonde. But I can't hate. It looks nice. I think it looks nice. I think I look nice. I look good. But yeah, I'm not mad at it whatsoever. And I put it on too low, so I just ripped it off, put it on a little bit higher. So bye guys.